Today we are going to see a new topic in sound energy. Sound travel is a longitudinal wave in air and any fluid medium, in which the particles vibrate to and fro about their mean position along the same direction of a propagation of sound wave. In this wave, the alternative regions of compression and rarefaction are formed. Compression or the region where the medium particles are crowded together and medium density is high. Rarefaction or the region where the medium particles are spread apart and the medium density is low. Okay. Next we go for a graphical representation of a longitudinal wave. So in this representation, the direction of propagation of sound wave is taken along x-axis and density of wave is taken along y-axis. Here the C1, C2, C3 are the region of compression with high density, and R1, R2, R3 are the regions of rarefaction with low density. One wave consists of one zone of compression and one zone of rarefaction. Next we go for some important terms related to wave. First we go for vibration. So what is vibration? Vibration is a to and fro motion of medium particles around its mean position called one vibration. And in one complete vibration, the particles move from its mean position to one extreme, then to another extreme, and then finally back to their mean position. This is called vibration. Next, amplitude. The maximum displacement of a vibrating particles on either side of its mean position is known as the amplitude of a wave, and the symbol is capital A and the SI unit is meter. Next, time period. It is a time taken by a vibrating particles to complete one vibration to and fro about its mean position, or otherwise time required to complete one complete vibration. The symbol is capital T and the SI unit is second. Next important term is frequency. The number of vibration completed by a vibrating particles in unit time is known as a frequency, and the symbol is mu and the SI unit is hertz. One vibration per second is called 1 hertz. The relation between time period and frequency is inversely proportional. Mu is equal to 1 by T. Next we go for a wavelength. One wave is said to be completed when a medium particle completes one vibration about its mean position. The length of one wave is known as a wavelength of a given wave, and the SI unit is meter and the symbol is lambda. Next, the distance between the two consecutive compression and or the distance between the two consecutive rarefaction is also equal to a wavelength. So C1, C2 which is equal to R1, R2 which is also equal to wavelength. So up to this we are completed. We will continue in a next class. Thank you.